Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Bloxxerman in hours. To achieve this, you'll need to focus your efforts on specific in-game activities. Start by completing all available daily quests, as these often provide valuable character shards and experience points. Joining an active guild is also crucial, as it grants access to exclusive rewards and boosts your overall progress significantly. This focused approach will dramatically reduce your unlock time. To truly speed up the process, efficient resource collection is key. Always participate in limited-time events, as these are often the best source for Bloxxerman character pieces. Carefully manage your in-game energy, spending it on stages known to drop the specific shards you need. Furthermore, consider saving your premium currency for special shop bundles that offer a significant number of Bloxxerman shards, giving you a massive boost. Strategic gameplay is vital for quick progression. Ensure your main team is consistently leveled up, allowing you to clear content more efficiently and secure greater rewards. Understanding how different characters work together, or their synergies, will significantly boost your combat effectiveness. Also, push through story mode chapters. This unlocks new farming locations and more challenging content, which often yield better rewards for Bloxxerman. For the final push, consistency is paramount. Make sure to log in multiple times throughout the day to claim all free rewards and take advantage of refresh timers for energy and quests. Engage with every available game mode, as each offers unique rewards that contribute to unlocking Bloxxerman. With persistence and a focused strategy, you'll have Bloxxerman unlocked in just a few hours, ready to join your roster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.